The upcoming episode of Rimjim is set to deliver one of the biggest twists in the story so far. Secrets that have remained hidden for a long time are finally about to come to light, and the shocking truth will leave Samir and Rimjim completely speechless. The promo opens with a tense confrontation between Samir and Rimjim. Samir looks deeply upset as he questions Rimjim about the land that was originally meant for a college. He demands to know why permission was given to build a hotel instead. Rimjim is completely stunned by the accusation. She immediately denies having anything to do with the decision and insists that she never approved the hotel project. She explains that someone is deliberately using her name to create confusion and turn everyone against her. Although Samir wants to believe Rimjim, the information he has received has left him confused. For a brief moment, doubt begins to grow between them, creating an emotional distance that neither of them expected. Sensing his hesitation, Rimjim pleads with Samir to trust her. She tells him that there is a larger conspiracy at work and that someone is secretly manipulating the entire situation for personal gain. Just when the misunderstanding reaches its peak, everything changes. Samir receives an unexpected phone call from an anonymous source. What he hears leaves him completely shocked. The caller reveals that the man everyone respects as Guruji is hiding a dangerous secret. According to the information, Guruji is not a spiritual leader at all. He is actually the powerful businessman behind the hotel project and has been using a false identity to gain everyone's trust. The revelation shakes Samir to his core. As he thinks back, several strange incidents suddenly begin to make sense. Guruji always seemed unusually interested in the land and frequently influenced important family decisions. Until now, everyone believed he was offering guidance out of kindness, but the truth appears to be very different. Without wasting a single moment, Samir shares everything with Rimjim. At first, Rimjim struggles to believe such a shocking claim. Guruji had earned the respect of the entire family through his calm nature and wise words. However, as Samir explains everything, she realizes that the evidence cannot simply be ignored. The two decide they cannot accuse anyone without proof. They must uncover the truth with their own eyes. Later that night, while the palace is silent and everyone is asleep, Samir and Rimjim quietly make their way toward Guruji's private room. Every step is filled with tension. They know that if they are caught, the consequences could be serious. Even so, they continue because the truth has become more important than their own safety. Inside the room, they begin searching carefully for anything that could reveal Guruji's real identity. Soon, they discover confidential documents, business files, and papers connected to the hotel project. As they examine the evidence, the horrifying truth becomes impossible to deny. Guruji is directly connected to the company planning the hotel. In that unforgettable moment, Samir and Rimjim finally realize that the anonymous caller was telling the truth all along. The man they respected as a holy spiritual guide is actually a businessman who has been hiding behind a carefully created disguise. Rimjim is heartbroken. She feels betrayed because she trusted Guruji without question. Never did she imagine that someone claiming to guide others spiritually could secretly manipulate innocent people for personal gain. Samir is equally devastated. He regrets doubting Rimjim and realizes that she was telling the truth from the very beginning. She was never responsible for the hotel project. Instead, she had become another victim of Guruji's carefully planned conspiracy. Now an even bigger challenge awaits them. Should they expose Guruji immediately before the entire family? Or should they quietly collect more evidence to ensure that he cannot escape after his true identity is revealed? Meanwhile, Guruji has no idea that Samir and Rimjim have uncovered his secret. But if he discovers that the truth is about to come out, he may take dangerous steps to protect himself. The suspense continues to grow. Will Samir and Rimjim succeed in exposing Guruji? Will they stop the hotel project and save the land that was meant for the college? Or will Guruji make one final move that changes everything once again? The upcoming episode promises intense drama, emotional confrontations, unexpected betrayals, and shocking twists that will keep viewers hooked until the very end. What do you think will happen next? Share your predictions in the comments below. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest Rimjim episode updates.